Hey guys, it's Rocket the Fernando from lifejourneyknown.com. I was interested to know about affiliate marketing recently. I'm going to share with you what I learned in this video or in this series of short videos, depending on the platform you're watching this. And all the resource links will be available in my blog post, so check it out. This is going to be the outline of the video, and let's get started. Let's see how to build an affiliate marketing business step by step in 2023. Every month, thousands of content creators, online publishers, or entrepreneurs generate millions of dollars using affiliate marketing. The same story goes for well-known brands such as NerdWallet, New York Times, or Forbes. The spending on affiliate marketing programs in businesses located in US has risen up to 8 billion in the recent year. Also, in the past few years, the affiliate marketing business has grown up to 76%. However, taking a piece of this billion-dollar pie is not as easy as just stuffing some affiliate links on your blog. Many affiliate marketers also fail to gain the financial status or financial revenue proclaimed by most online videos and blogs. So if you keep watching this, you will be able to learn some tips to become successful affiliate marketer and avoid most of the mistakes made by beginner affiliates. So here are some steps that you can take to start your affiliate marketing journey. I'll just give an overall view right now, and I'll go in detail for each point later on this video. First one is researching a narrowed down specific niche. Then you have to select a suitable online platform, and then you have to find profitable and relevant affiliate marketing programs for your niche. After that, you just have to create optimized content for affiliate marketing. Then it's all about driving traffic to the content and websites you have created. Then you can create a simple funnel for affiliate marketing. Then after that, you just gotta monitor your sales and adjust accordingly. So first, let's understand some fundamentals about affiliate marketing. So first one is, what is really affiliate marketing? First, it's quite simple as a salesperson earning a commission after the sale he or she has made. This in affiliate marketing, it is where brands share their revenue with content creators or online publishers for the sales or leads they make by promoting the brands. So commissions earned from affiliate marketing programs can vary from cents to hundreds of dollars per referral. The amount of money you will earn will depend on the number of sales you make. So if you do it right, your earning could be bigger than your normal salary. So let's see how affiliate marketing works. So first step would be you sharing an affiliate link on your blog, on social media, or post it on a website. Then a potential buyer clicks through your affiliate link. Then the potential buyer is directed to an advertiser's website. Then through a cookie, the potential buyer is tracked as a customer referred by you. The buyer then purchases a product or service. Then the purchase is attributed to you by the affiliate network and issues a commission. After that, these commissions are displayed on your affiliate dashboard. Then after some time, you will receive the payment for the affiliate network from the affiliate network. The types of successful affiliate marketers are not limited to one. They can vary from well-known news publishers to independent entrepreneurs and business teams. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk business model. You don't have to be responsible for the delivery of a service or a product. A degree in marketing is not required also to be successful in affiliate marketing. With right resources, anyone can generate a good income. In the modern world, the success of an affiliate marketer solely depends on the ability to attract the correct type of traffic and to convert them to make become a customer. So it is essential for you to optimize your content for conversions. To begin, it's important to have an understanding of affiliate links. What is called an affiliate link? The whole affiliate marketing process is working through an affiliate link. These links consist of a unique URL which is only assigned for you, and it helps the advertisers to know that you are the person who sent a particular customer, so that they can give you a payment as a commission if that customer buys something through that link. To earn a commission, it is essential to keep in mind as a beginner affiliate that the customer has to come through your affiliate link, and whenever they buy something, you'll get the commission. Generally, there are two main ways to earn affiliate revenue. First type is cost per action, which means this method allows you to earn money every time an audience member completes an action based on the affiliate program. Of course, the actions can be filling out a form, starting a free trial, or making a purchase. Next type is CPC, which is cost per click. This allows you to be paid for the clicks for quality visitors according to advertisers, even without them even completing a specific task. The payment model differs from affiliate program to affiliate program, and some programs pay for both conversions and leads. We will discuss more later in this video. So while we are at it, there are a few more terms used in affiliate marketing that you should be familiar with. These factors will be helpful for you to choose an affiliate program that has a higher earning potential. First one of those terms is cookies. These are tiny files that are stored in the devices as soon as a particular person clicks on your affiliate link. It helps the affiliate networks to remember that you are the person who has sent this customer, so that they'll be able to give you a commission later on. Next factor you need to know is the duration of a cookie. A cookie has an expiration date, and affiliate links usually expires after 15 to 30 days, and some links may last shorter than that, about 24 hours, and it determines how long your affiliate link will be validated. Then next thing you need to do is affiliate networks. Some businesses set their affiliate programs on third-party platforms like affiliate networks, and these affiliate networks helps bring brands and affiliate marketers together. Famous affiliate marketing platforms are like ClickBank, Rakuten, Flex Offer, and Partner Stack, or Digistore 24. Now let's say, is it really worth it to start affiliate marketing? The earning potential as an affiliate marketer is unlimited. The amount of money you earn depends on the niche you have chosen and your skills to optimize your revenue streams and content. However, it does not mean that most affiliate marketers are going to become millionaires. As shown on pay scale, the amount of money earned by an average affiliate marketer is between $3,000 to $6,000 per month. The top affiliate marketers make about hundreds or even $10,000 per month. They usually are full-time marketers with dedicated teams and years of experience. It does not mean that you have to go full-time to build a sustainable income. The amazing part of affiliate marketing is the fact that it can supplement your full-time salary from day one. With patience and dedication, it could even replace your full-time job eventually. Now let's see the steps you need to take to build an affiliate marketing business. A well-known secret of affiliate marketing is that your earning potential really depends on the niche you choose. This means that it is based on the audience you have and the types of products or services they like to buy. It is important to be aware of what kind of things to look for in a niche that you choose before starting an affiliate marketing journey. These are the things that you have to know from the very beginning. First one is picking a niche based on research. Getting caught up in the latest trends and jumping right on them could be a terrible decision, especially when they lose the heat and disappear all of a sudden. Researching a niche is a step you can take to be certain that your affiliate marketing business is going to make money consistently long term. During the research, you will be analyzing the competition on your niche and the affiliate programs relevant to your niche to build a sustainable content and affiliate marketing strategy.